以美国三大车厂为主的工会，伫台湾时间15中昼发起罢工，而且因罢工是有分阶段的。头起先呢是146000多名会员大声来罢工，工会是希望讲利用罢工这种方式来争取一礼拜做32点钟，就当领到40点钟的薪水。
福特汽车为伫铁路的厂区外口参与罢工的工会会员，伫暗时的时阵大声喊，有的卡白铁的碗盘，由劳资双方对着加薪幅度立场是差伤多，无得达成共识。全国汽车业总工会 UAW 决定对美东时间15夜展开阶段性罢工，对福特同样加起来所列这三大车厂，各选择特定的厂区，由当地会员发动，而其他也未加入的会员是意愿的继续工作。
Though the contract is expired, most of your contract is still in effect. Management cannot change terms and conditions of work in your workplace. You do not become an employee at will. You cannot be fired or disciplined for no reason. This strategy will keep the companies guessing. It will give our national negotiators maximum leverage and flexibility in bargaining.
美联社分析指出，工会撤留也使互现有8亿2500万美金的罢工基金延动更较久，互罢工持续更加长的时间。美国学者认为，后疫情时代大规模而持续进行是造成罢工真接发生的重要原因。不过，对历史来看，罢工对美国经济体系第长时间影响是相当有限的。
There are very few labor actions which have seriously disrupted in the long term. So what we're seeing from the Great Resignation, which evolved into the Great Reshuffling, is more a revival of the sectors in which these strikes are taking place.
路透社报道指出，美国汽车业包含零组件生产、汽车组装这行业，红车劳工人数大约100万人。UAW 的会员人数所占比例只有15%，真侪到美国投资的外国车厂，像日本的丰田、日产等，甚至美国本土的电动车厂特斯拉，员工拢无加入 UAW。产业分析师认为，传统的三大车厂乃因为大规模罢工，互成本继续抢悬，降低竞争力，最终得到利益的就是这总工会管袂到的车厂甲劳工。公视新闻，齐嘉玲编译。